a one-stop smart solution for high schoolers and parents to enhance their ability to communicate, research, express and decision-making, along with understanding the plethora of career options available to them through simulation-based monthly workshops, helping them choose their education to support their career path. An online platform for students to be life-ready. Hi, I'm Sonal Agrawal, a homemaker, mother and a certified student mentor. Are you ready to be your own mentor?
Students and parents in 2 and 3 tier cities, small towns and villages in India do not have authentic mentoring and skill development workshops available. Parents are unaware of the need for holistic development in children, which adds to the high stress levels in teenage students with respect to academic excellence. The students find it difficult to logically decide and shortlist their career paths. I saw it as a problem which needs to be attended, especially after the NEP 2020. Be Your Own Mentor strongly believes education should be commensurate to the chosen career path. We intend to provide parents and students with online mentoring and simulation-based monthly workshops to understand various career options available, as well as most importantly providing them with the right tools to nurture skills like speaking, writing, researching, analyzing, etc. to be life ready to face the world outside of their small cities. The program will offer a quarterly as well as annual subscription model. The curriculum would also incorporate monthly one-on-one mentoring for these students and a quarterly mentoring with parents to educate them for the need of skill development in children, aiding the students to take higher education decisions wisely. Our USP is small batch sizes. The workshop size would not exceed 15 to 20 students to make it interactive and personal. Mentoring sessions with students will be done one-on-one, thereby taking full account of privacy of each student. Being Your Own Mentor aims at making mentoring affordable to students across all segments. Our key focus is mainly on achieving maximum number of individual enrollments, government as well as private school annual enrollments, and advertisements on our portal. We plan to grow by adding internships and conducting education fairs for schools and students. Also helping the students with college lists, resumes, scholarships and SOPs for further studies will be our premium services.
Thank you NSRCEL and IIM Bangalore for giving us this opportunity. We value your time.